for the witness. My understanding is that the witness may consult the lawyer, his lawyer, on certain points, especially points of law. But I don't think counsel can address this court. He is not a party to this case.
That's correct. So refrain from participating in the proceeding other than to advise your client, the witness, in the event that his rights would be affected. Proceed, Counsel.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. Garcia, good afternoon.
May I consult my counsel, sir?
Incidentally, this... Just a minute.
I was only saying good afternoon, Mr. Witness.
Order. Incidentally, this witness is representing the bank as a bank. And that bank was the one subpoenaed, no? Now, the counsel for the witness may counsel your witness if the tendency of the question would have any bearing to injure your bank. Okay? So order. Proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Witness. I'm sorry, Mr. President. Mr. Garcia, good afternoon again.
Good afternoon, sir.
Will you please state into the record your position in the...
Name, personal circumstances. Proceed.
Good afternoon, honorable members of this court. I am Pascual Garcia III. I am presently the president of Philippine Savings Bank. And may I ask the court for an opportunity to make a short statement?
Your Honor, please. This witness is our witness, Your Honor, and he is subject to our questioning and presentation, and we will not allow him, with due respect to you, Mr. Garcia, at this time to make any manifestation or any statement to the court.
Witness, just answer the question that will be asked of you.
Yes, sir.
And if you are in doubt about your answer, ask the advice of your counsel. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Proceed.
All right. Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. Garcia, you are here by virtue of a subpoena, correct?
Yes, sir, I am.
Do you have a copy of the subpoena?
Your Honor, please, this is in violation of the rules of procedure.
Why?
The purpose for which this witness is being presented, Your Honor, must be made of record. That's what the rules require.
Yes.
May I state my purposes, Your Honor? This witness is offered to prove two things, Your Honor. Number one, that Chief Justice Corona is the holder and owner of the 10 accounts that are the subject of the subpoena, and that he will also testify on the ending balances of these 10 accounts for the years 2007, 2008, 2009, and 2010. And towards that purpose, Your Honor, he will be identifying and authenticating certain bank documents, Your Honor.
Proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. So, you are here. You have a copy of the subpoena, Mr. Garcia?
Yes, sir, I have.
Do you have with you the subpoenaed documents?
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, may I make
Your Honor, this counsel should not be allowed to
Wait a minute.
whisper and coach this witness.
Sir, he was consulting me.
Counsel. Wait a minute. Order here.
May I ask?
Please. The chair would
assistance
like
from my
to
counsel.
advise the witness Ginoong testigo, pag hindi ka sigurado, sabi mo sa akin na gusto mong kausapin ang abogado mo bago ko sumagot.
Okay, sir.
O sige, proceed.
Thank you again, Mr. President. To be fair to you, Mr. Garcia, you can consult your lawyer when, but he is not supposed to tell you what to say. So, do you have the
Mr. Counsel, avoid those remarks. That is known.
My apologies, Your Honor.
You are attacking the ethics of your fellow lawyer.
My apologies, Your Honor. Mr. Witness, do you have the subpoenaed documents with you?
Yes, sir, I have.
One of the documents subpoenaed is account number 089-191-00373. Do you have that with you, Mr. Garcia?
No, sir, I do not have.
This is a subject of the subpoena, and will you please explain to the court why you do not have these documents with you?
If I may, sir.
Go ahead. Answer the question if you want.
Yes, sir. Mr. President and honorable senators of this impeachment court, although the subpoena issued by the Honorable Impeachment Court has been addressed to the branch manager of Philippine Savings Bank, I, as president of the bank, have personally come to attend to this hearing out of respect of the bank for the impeachment court and the importance of these proceedings. I've chosen to personally attend because as the president of the bank, I owe it to the bank and its 600,000 depositors to protect and uphold the rights of confidentiality. I owe it to my subordinates, 2,693 of them, who may possibly be subject to criminal proceedings and imprisonment. Okay? The subpoena commands PS Bank,
What did you say?
who may possibly be exposed to potential risk of liability, sir. And if I may just explain,
Yes.
the subpoena commands PS Bank
Your Honor, please.
to bring before the Senate the original and certified true copies of the account opening form
Your
and
Honor, please.
documents for 10 specified accounts, as well as documents showing the balances of said accounts as of December 31 for the years 2007, 2008, 2009, and 2010.
If Your Honor, please.
You cannot interrupt your witnesses answering the question.
Your Honor, with due respect, the question was very short and called for a very short answer. This is already a narration.
Well, that is the way he answers it. Do you want to stop your witness in testifying?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Your
Next
Honor.
question.
Sir, I am responding to the question on the...
There is a ruling already, Mr. Witness.
Sagutin mo lang yung question niya. Sabihin mo kung bakit hindi ka pwedeng magsalita o hindi ka pwedeng sumagot o ibigay mo yung sagot mo.
Yes, sir. And the question earlier, if I could recall, was whether I had these documents, and I mentioned that I did not have them, and I am now trying to explain why I do not have them.
I will ask you another question, Mr. Witness.
Yes, sir.
What documents do you have with you now?
Sir, I have documents pertaining to 5 of the 10 accounts.
All right. Mr. Witness, the subpoena commands you to bring the opening documents for the stated accounts. I understand from your answer that you are referring to 5 accounts, Mr. Witness?
Yes, sir.
All right. Will you please identify the accounts?
The accounts are bank accounts that are Philippine peso bank accounts
Just
with
state them.
account numbers 089-121017358. Another account 089-121019593. Account number 089-121020122. Account number 089
Isulat mo nga.
121-021-681, and account number 089-121-011-957-7, all in the name of Renato C. Corona.
All right. Mr. Witness, do you have the... I assume your documents that you have with you are official records?
Yes, sir. Official certifications.
These are certified by your proper officer as the records of the bank.
Very leading, Your Honor. The witness is a very intelligent witness. We pray that the questions be properly framed, Your Honor, to avoid
Reform the question.
This is preliminary question.
preliminary
Your
to
Honor.
what?
Just reform the question.
This is a certified true copy, Mr. Witness.
These
Again,
are
we object, Your Honor. The same question.
May I see the document, Mr. Witness? Permission to confront the witness, Mr. President.
The objection is sustained, Your Honor.
What is the question?
The question is, Your Honor, do you have the copies, the opening documents
Let
of...
the answer, let the witness answer. Do you have it?
As I mentioned earlier, sir, I have certifications on 5 peso deposit accounts.
Do you have-
enumerated.
Thank you. Do you-
Nasa iyo ba yung mga dokumento na tinatanong nung abogado?
Yes, Your Honor. This pertaining to this 5, yes, Your Honor.
Do you have the, Mr. President, do you have the opening documents for account number 089-121017358?
Yes, I have, sir.
Permission to approach the witness, Your Honor, to get the documents.
Proceed.
Hello.
One, two, one, sir.
Do you have it with you, Mr. Witness?
Yes, sir.
What account number is that?
089-121-017358, Mr. President.
All right.
735.
Witness going over his records, Mr. President.
7358. 7358 for the year 2000. 7358 for the year. 7358. No.
Witness, you are only asked about account number 089-121-017358.
Yes, sir.
So, answer the question.
Yes, sir. I have the document.
May I see, please?
This is bank certification. 7358 for the year 2007. We hold no bank records.